Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to use Clipchamp with AI tool. So firstly, you have to create a video with AI. So you click here, then you select your media. Let's say this video. Wait till uploaded. So what's the title of your video? As example here, he's saying Italy trip 2022. But let's say, cause it's a natural video, so I type Natura 2025, then get started. He will suggest for you. You go for next. Either you go portrait or landscape, depend. If you want less than 3 seconds or the full video, depend on you, but as short, mostly is 30 seconds is good. You just click second, 30 seconds, and sorry. So we go next. Music, IST. If you want to choose summer chill, sunshine, memory, whatever it is, and you can edit even in the timeline. So it's like that. Sorry for the sound. And after finish, just to export it. That's all. So don't forget to subscribe and share and like, and thank you, and see you the next time. I hope this video is helpful for you.